Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to simplify fractions using BODMAS. Now, the questions we have before us today have three operations, that is of, division, and minus. It is BODMAS that will help us to know which of these operational signs should be worked on first. Now, luckily for us, in BODMAS, of actually comes first. So it means that we need to pair these two like this and then operate on them the way they are. We need to change the mixed fractions, however, to improper fractions. Now, 1 whole number 2 over 3 can be written as 5 over 3. And of can be written as times. 2 whole number 1 over 4 can also be written as 9 over 4. And then we can write the others also in improper fractions. This is 7 over 2 minus 5 over 4. Now, dealing with what we have inside of the bracket, we will see clearly that 3 will go here 1 time and 3 will go here 3 times. So at the end of that division, we'll see that what we have inside of this bracket simplifies into 15, that is 5 times 3 over 4 times 1, 4. Then divided by 7 over 2 minus 5 over 4. Okay, so still going by BODMAS, we'll also see that division comes next. Now, we need to also pair this in two like we did earlier. So this becomes 15 over 4 times 2 over 7. Then minus 5 over 4. We can see that 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2, leading to 15 over 14 minus 5 over 4. So what's left here is to just find the LCM. Since we are only left with one operation, we can find the LCM, which is 28. 14 will go in 28 2 times. So 2 times 15 is 30. Minus 4 in 28 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. So this will give us minus 5 over 28. So that is how to simplify fractions. Let's look at the next question. Very similar to the previous question, we have 3 operations, but this time around we also have a bracket. We need to start off with these fractions in the bracket. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly iron that out. 1 whole number 5 over 6 is the same as 11 over 6 minus 1 over 3. So if I find the LCM, this is 6. So this would be 11 minus 2, and that is 9 over 6. 9 over 6 is equivalent to 3 over 2. So everything inside of this bracket now is 3 over 2. So that means I now have 2 whole number 1 over 2 plus 1 whole number 1 over 3 of 3 over 2. Let me change this mixed fraction also to improper fraction. So I have 5 over 2 plus 4 over 3 of 3 over 2. Now, the next operation we need to work on is off, because according to BODMAS, off comes first before addition. Therefore, I need to work on these two. So I have 5 over 2 plus 4 over 3 times 3 over 2. We can clearly see that 3 here will cut 3 here, and then 2 will go here 1 time, 2 will go here 2 times. So what we are left with is 5 over 2 plus 2. So we go ahead and find the LCM also. The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 in 2 is 1 times 5 is 5. 1 in 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So this gives us 9 over 2, which in turn gives us 4 whole number 1 over 2, changing it to mixed fractions. So when you have any kind of fraction, just consider BODMAS, and then you will know which operation you need to work on first before the other. Let's see a more challenging question. What we have here is a bit different from what we did earlier, but it is still simple and BODMAS will still apply. But the first thing we need to do is to change every mixed fraction to improper fraction. So starting from the left hand side, 3 whole number 2 over 3 will simplify into 11 over 3. So times 1 over 8 is 9 over 8. So divided by 3 2 over 3, 11 over 3, minus 2 1 over 4, that's 9 over 4. So divided by 5 1 over 2 is 11 over 2. 3 7 over 9, that should be 34. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 7, that's 34 over 9. Okay. We see that 3 here will cut 9. So that upper part simplifies into 33 over 8. Then divided by, we can quickly do the LCM of 11 over 3 minus 9 over 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 3 in 12 is 4 times 11 is 44 minus 4 in 12 is 3 times 9 is 27. So that should give us 17 over 12. So here we have 17 over 12. Then divided by 11 over 2 over 34 over 9. Now we can write each of these as 33 over 8 divided by 17 over 12. We have not done any magic yet. And then this also can be written as 11 over 2 divided by 34 over 9. We need to change the division sign to multiplication, and by doing that we need to reciprocate the fractions in front of it. This becomes 33 over 8 times, the moment I change this to times, this fraction is reciprocated to give me 12 over 17. Okay, I'll do the same to the second bracket. So I have 11 over 2 times 9 over 34. Then I'll look for those things that can cut. 4 will cut 8 twice. 4 will cut 12 3 times. Okay, so I'm left with 99 over 2 times 17 is 34. Then divided by, in the second bracket, nothing is cutting, so I have 99 also over 2 times 34 is 68. I will then write this as 99 over 34 times 68 over 99. Very clearly I see that 99 will cut 99, and then 34 will go in 68 2 times. So the whole of this fraction simplifies into 2. Now the whole idea is to always remember that whenever you have cascaded fractions or long fractions with multiple operational symbols, we need to use BODMAS in order to know which should come first of those operations. Please, if you like this video, kindly like the video and share with your friends, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.